Hello friends, hope you liked the previous videos which I have posted on the addition and subtraction. Now in this we will be moving further ahead with how to solve fast calculation using multiplication. So this is also not difficult one, this is actually easy, but the thing is that only few things are required that you need to take care. Okay, in this way you can easily solve. For example, if you are multiplying with, let us suppose we will solve 3, 4, 5, 6 multiply by 11. So you all of know how to do multiplication in general way, but we will do it in fast way. So instead of multiplying by 11, what we do, we split the 11 into 10 plus 1. So it will become easy, because only the thing is that because it will become 3 4 5 6 0 plus 3 4 5 6, and you just need to add. So this will be 6, this will be 5 6 6 plus 5 11, 5 1 carry, 5 4 9 10, 1 carry, 4 5 11 11, and this is 3. So this will be the answer. Now for multiplying, if let us suppose if a digit is not 11, if suppose the digit is 38, if suppose the digit is 49, if suppose the digit is anything, so for that we have one formula actually. Let us discuss what is formula then. A B C D E, if suppose, and this is F, and we have to multiply it by, we have to multiply this by, actually we have to multiply, if suppose let us suppose this is a digit, and we have to multiply it by YZ. So in this there are actually one formula actually that you need to take care. You have to carefully denoted the unit digits here, unit digit. Okay, so let us see how it is. First of all, you have to multiply. First step will be multiply F into Z. Second step will be you have to multiply EZ plus FY, EZ plus FY. Okay. Third step, you have to multiply DZ plus EY, DZ plus EY. Next step, you have to multiply CZ plus DY, CZ plus DY. In fifth step, you have to multiply BZ plus CY. In sixth step, you have to multiply AZ plus BY. In last step, you have to take the carry, whichever it is carry, and then plus you have to multiply this last two digit number A into Y. In this, carry has not been considered, you have to consider that carry. Okay, carry has not been considered here, you have to consider that carry on. But remember the form, the trick is you have to first of all you have to multiply this then this. Okay, you can't use this because it will create confusion. Okay, so basic concept is you just need to cross this one then this one. Okay, so using that method we will solve one question. Let us solve. We have 3 4 9 6 1 cross 38. Just using this method we will solve this. Okay, first of all you have to multiply FZ, as you can see. So here we will have 8 ones are 8. Then you have to multiply this and this. Matlab 8 6 are 48 plus 351. 1 will be here, 5 will be carry on. Now we have to multiply 9 are 72 plus 63, that is 90, and 5 is carry on. So the answer will be 95. 9 will be carry on. Now we have to multiply 4 is 24 plus 9 is 27, 24. 4 8 is 30, sorry, 4 is 32, 32 plus 27, 42, 52, 59, 59 plus 9 is carry. 59 plus 9 will be carry, means the answer will be 59 plus 9 is carry, means the answer will be 68. 6 will be carry. Okay, 6 will be carry. Now you have to multiply this number. 3 8 is 24, 24 plus 12, 36, 36, 6 is carry, the 42. 4 will be carry. Now multiply 3 3 is 9 plus 4. Carry on you have to add, that will be 13. So this will be your answer. Okay, let us, you can easily see how fast I calculated. Okay, so that is the only trick. You can solve it very fastly, you can get very easily answer. The thing is that you need to practice hard. So let us solve one more question by the same method of multiplication that we have just studied just now. Okay, let us multiply 5 7 6 9 8 3 multiply by 37. By using the same method, you can simply multiply first of all this. 7 is 21, so 2 will be carry on. 8 7 is 56 plus 9 will be 65 plus 2 carry on tha, so basically it will become 67. 6 will be carry on. Now multiply 9 cross 7, that is 63 plus 24. 63 plus 24, 73, 83, 87. 87 plus 6 will be carry on, so 93. 9 will be carry on. Okay, now you have to multiply this number. 6 7s are 42 plus 27. 52, 62. 62 plus 7 will be 69. 69 plus 9 is carry, so your answer will be 78. 7 will be carry. Now you have to multiply this number. Okay, so for that you have to multiply this number. Okay, so for that 7 7s are 49 plus 18. 59, 69, 67. 67 plus 7 is carry. 67 plus 7 is carry, your answer will be 74. 74. So 7 will again be carry. Now you have to multiply this number. Okay, so for that 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 21. 35 plus 21 will be 45. 55, 56. 56 plus 7 is carry, so your answer will be 63. 6 is carry. Now you just have to multiply 5 cross 3, that is 15, plus 6 is carry, so your answer will be 21. You get an answer of 2134837. This is your answer. And let us see the difference when you solve it by using a normal technique, that what everyone does while solving. Let us see that also, what you can easily simplify the difference. First of all, you multiply 7 7 21, 2 will be carry, 8 7 56, 58, 5 will be carry, 9 7 63, 5 will be carry 68, 6 7 42, 6 will be carry, 6 7 42, 6 7 42, 6 will be carry, so 48, 7 7 49, 3 will be carry 53, 5 7 35, plus 5 is 40. Now you have to multiply this. 3 3 are 9, 8 3 are 24, 9 3 are 27, 29, 6 3 are 18, 20, 2 carry 7 3 are 21, 23, 5 3 are 15, 16, 17. If you just add, you get an answer of this. You similarly get an answer of this. Okay, you can add it simply. So you will get this same answer definitely, but the thing is that in this step you have taken 2 steps, and in this step you have just solved by taking 1 step. So this will definitely help us in saving your time. Okay, so hope you can solve it easily now. Let us give you one homework. Okay, you can answer your in your inbox. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay, and trust me, process is easy, not difficult. Only the thing is that since you have seen this concept first time, that's why it seems to be difficult for you. But the more you practice, the more easy it will become, and the more easy you can solve. Okay, so practice hard. In the next video we will be dealing with the same concept of multiplication, but that time we will be dealing with how to solve how to multiply a 3-digit number. We have a same formula for 3-digit also, but only a little bit of difference is there. So first of all, practice this, then that will definitely help you all. Okay, that's all from my side. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.